At SHOPLINE, we believe customer loyalty is the key to sustainable growth. Loyalty programs don't just boost sales, they build lasting customer relationships and turn shoppers into brand advocates. Returning customers spend 3 to 4 times more than first-time buyers. A loyalty program keeps them coming back. Loyalty members are also more likely to buy recommended products, especially with exclusive rewards. And when satisfied customers refer friends, acquisition costs drop while growth accelerates. According to SHOPLINE data, merchants using our member system see an average repurchase rate of 16%, compared to just 2% without a loyalty strategy. For example, a body care brand launched a referral program, rewarding new members with a free top-selling natural oil bath scrub for a limited time. Excited to share the reward, existing customers referred friends who trusted these recommendations and tried the brand. Many of these new shoppers returned for repeat purchases. In just 2 months, the program grew the customer base by 15% and boosted repurchase rates by turning referrals into loyal members. So, how do you get started? Here's a quick example. 1. Create membership tiers like Silver, Gold, and Platinum, each with perks that show up on your storefront. 2. Configure points rules, for example, 1 point per $1 spent, so customers instantly see their earnings at checkout. 3. Run bonus campaigns, for example, double points weekend to boost engagement. 4. Offer member-priced products, so shoppers recognize exclusive benefits right on product pages. With Member System, you're not just building a loyalty program, you're creating long-term relationships that drive growth. Member data also syncs seamlessly across sales channels, from your online store to in-store POS, and even to your brand's mobile app with Shopper app. Together, these tools create a connected and rewarding shopping journey.